You want to go for a drive?
Yeah, Jollibee.
Yeah, we'll go Jollibee. No, we're going to go somewhere different. We're going to go to Albuera. It's where Daddy proposed to Mummy.
No.
You don't want to go there? It's fun. There's a playground there.
Playground there?
Yeah, there's a playground there. It's fun. Adi on playground.
No, I did no jumping.
The trampoline.
No. Look.
It's an outside playground. It's outside.
It's outside.
Yeah, it's like the one in Australia. Yeah, it's like the one in Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big one. Do you want to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Nitro.
It's a snake.
A snake? Yeah, you'll see a big snake there too, and you'll see some birdies.
No, he has a snake.
Yeah, come on, let's
No,
go.
he has a kitten.
Tara na, he said tara na.
No, look, it's a snake.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey Nitro, look at Daddy. Wow. Where the sunnies? Where the sunnies? Where the glasses?
Wait, again.
You wear the sunglasses.
Yeah, let's wear it.
Oh, cool, man.
Yo.
Hey, cool,
Where's the money,
man.
yo?
You're a rapper.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make it.
Biggie Smalls. Lil Wayne. Little Dwayne. Lil Dwayne. Yeah, what's up, Lil Dwayne? Yeah. Shanta dope.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to the Dwantro vlog starring Vivo
Bebe.
at Babibe.
Habibe. Nitro.
Hello, is he awake?
Yeah, but he's like looking outside.
Oh, you're gonna fall asleep soon, buddy.
So ngayon, pupunta po tayo dun sa lugar na kung saan nag-propose ako kay Shanta. So, I proposed to Shanta when was it on your birthday, di ba?
Yeah.
Your 33rd birthday, di ba?
I think
33 ka nun? Or 32? 33 ka ata.
So I took her to a place called Albuera. So siguro napanood yun noong 2016 na-upload namin yun. Tapos, ano siya, yung ginawa ko, nilagay ko ang sing-sing sa halo-halo.
What, Nitro? What? Your mask. You don't need the mask.
I need the mask.
No, you don't, baby. You're a baby. You're not Daco. You're small. You don't need the mask.
Mommy's a girl, baby's a boy.
Yes, very good. How about Daddy? Yes. How about Uncle Nano? How about Ate Fe? How about Ate Fe?
Princess!
Princess, how about Ate Fe? Puros malahiyano. Ambutin na ito. Yeah, no, isa na. Ambutin mo, baby na. No, ang kulang is a boy.
Yeah!
Ambutin mo.
Nitro, are you Daco or small?
Nitro, are you Daco or small?
Buti! Hey guys, nag-stop muna kami dito kasi ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Ah, sayang, iniwan ko yung drone ko sa Australia. Ano?
Usually, pag ito na mga parts na ganito, pag somewhere like sa Australia, gagawin tong parang, anong tawag dun? Gagawin tong look out.
Look out,
Diba
yeah.
sa nung pumunta tayo sa Nakay.
Yeah, yeah.
Like kahit yung mga ganitong road, ginagawa nilang
Tourist spot on the side.
parang may lookout siya. Pero dito
sana.
sayang, oh.
Okay guys, we are here.
He said, wow,
We're just trying to find a place to park. And then, ayan, bababa na kami. We'll go to the place where I proposed to Shanta. And Nitro is gonna play on the playground at kita sa mga animals. Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata. Nitro, what's that?
The monkey.
A monkey! Let's go see him. Oh, look at him. What's he doing? He's swinging. The monkey, Nitro. Oh, he's climbing. Hey, it's a cool monkey. Hey. Pinsan mo daw. Whoa. Whoa. He did a big jump. He did a big jump. Hey. Oh. They're dangerous, aren't they? He's a monkey.
Nitro, say, hu-hu-hu-ha. Say it. Hu-hu-hu-ha.
Oh, oh, he's gonna get you, Shanta. He's gonna get you. Oh.
I'll play a playground.
You wanna play in the playground too? It's a playground. Oh. Oh, Nitro, look, it's a big snake. He's a big snake. It's a snake, Nitro. Can you see it? Big snake, hey? Same color. Oh.
That's it.
Same color as your shirt, hey? I remember these birds. They say, I don't know, say pangit.
He said hello.
Pangit. 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 They say, remember they used to say pangit?
Yeah.
Dalawa sila dati, ngayon isa na lang. Yo, Nitro! These are swings, Nitro. Whoa. Nitro, it's your first time on an outdoor playground since we went to Australia. It's your first time. Go, Nitro, go down the slide. Daddy help you? Nitro, go. Yay! Wow, baby Nitro on the swing. Alright guys, we're here. Me and Shanta are finally back at the place where I proposed. Ito siya, Baybayon ni Agalon.
Restaurant. Ito yung island na nag-order siya. Island ba
Yes.
tawag dyan? Yung parang bar.
Favorite
Oo,
bar.
pala.
Dito ako nag-order. I said to the waitresses, ilagay niyo ang sing-sing sa halo-halo sa ibabaw. Ito siya. Dito ako nag-order ata. Dito. Ayun. Ngayon wala nang tao. Abandoned na.
Hindi ka pinapag-order kasi nag-propose ka na naman daw. Kung gusto niyo
Ayun.
yung bag ko, bilhin niyo po sa page ko.
This beautiful life.
Shan, let's go to the swinging cottage.
Go!
That's where I proposed.
I want to see a dinosaur.
Yeah, you want to see the dinosaurs? Alright, doon yung swinging cottage natin siya.
Parang
Let's go.
may, di ba dati maraming katabing swing cottage yan? Yan ngayon wala na kasi lagyan nila nito.
Ah,
Kita mo
okay
sa
pala,
kanila
no?
yan.
Ito. Oo.
Lagyan nila na parang viewing deck.
Viewing it.
Pero maganda siya actually, di ba?
Pero yung swinging cottage natin, yun nata. Yun na yun. Let's go.
Oh, yan.
Let's go. It swings, right?
No, it doesn't swing.
Oh, it doesn't swing. Wala, it doesn't swing.
Oh,
Yeah, this is it.
it's supposed to swing.
It doesn't swing. I guess they've locked it. I think they locked it. They stopped it from swinging. Yeah. We just got to wait over it. It normally swings.
Oh, hindi na siya
Shan, pwesta tayo. Diba? You were here
Reenactment.
on this side?
Reenactment.
Yes, and I was here, diba? Yes, alright. So, when I proposed, I put the phone here to film us. And I do it again. Ready?
Tapos
Oh,
ako
ganyan.
ganun lang. Mahaba pa ang buhok ko, tapos payat pa ako. Tingnan niyo ang taba ko na.
It was
Oh my gosh, I'm
parang
so
ganon.
fat. Kailan ka ba papayat? Girl! Long
Swing
taba
na.
ako, oh my gosh.
Parang ganyan. Tapos may halo-halo tayo dito, diba?
After gumagan ako, ay,
Yes. And then, ano,
ayun ka. Pumunta ka
you were like, hindi an ice cream baby, halo. And then you're like,
Hindi man to ice cream, baby. Halo.
Do it.
Joke lang. Oh my gosh, I look so fat.
That's
Wala na bang papayat
that's what
dyan?
the marriage did to you, made you fat.
No, it was only because I gave birth with Nitro. Kaya pumayat ako. Sige lang, babalik ka din after 5 years.
I'll go here. I'll go here and propose ulit. And sit there.
Ay, ito pala yung singsing. Wait lang. Ito pala yung singsing po. Yan. Wait.
Yan pa din.
Ano ba yan? Patang madilim.
Okay.
Lagay natin sa
You,
halo-halo.
hello. You sit there. Oh, you sit there.
I sit here.
You get up. Shanta. Go here. And then you stand up, remember? And then I say, will you marry me, Shanta?
And then I was just doing this.
Forgot. And then we hug, diba? We hug this way. Oh, forgot.
Yun lang po. Tapos ang patalastas.
This is what happened 5 years later. Sit down, son.
Yan na yung halo-halo.
Nitro, this is where Daddy proposed to Mommy. Yes.
No.
Yes. And we're still married. And now we have a baby. Yes, we
Nitro,
are.
you sit here. You're the halo-halo.
You are the halo-halo with the
You're
sing-sing.
halo-halo. Oh,
Mommy,
you
get
hold
that.
the sing-sing. You hold Mommy's ring.
Hold
Wanna
Mommy's ring?
Wanna hold Mommy's ring and you give it to Mommy?
Halo-halo talaga siya. Kasi half Filipino, half Australian.
Wow! You say Mommy.
Dwanta.
Shanta.
May Dwanta.
You say Mommy and Daddy Dwanta.
Daddy, Mommy, and Dwanta.
Here's your halo halo.
Wow, we have a halo-halo. Yay!
Halo.
Oh, wow.
Halo.
You give Mommy her ring.
Where's
Say
the ring?
Dwanta. Say
Dwanta.
Where's the ring? Nitro, give Mommy the ring.
to Mommy.
It's Mommy's ring.
Mommy's ring.
Can you put it on Mommy's finger?
pala.
The halo-halo, put the ring on the finger. Go. Not on your finger.
Not on your
Not on your finger. On Mommy's.
Stop.
Oh, it's stuck. It's not stuck. Can you give it to Mommy?
Give to Mommy.
No.
Give to Mommy. Come on.
No.
Kinain na ng
Give to
halo-halo
Mommy.
yung ring ko.
Alright.
Give it to Mommy.
No, my hello, hello.
Nitro, what's your name? What's your name?
Baby Nitro.
What's Daddy's name?
Daddy's name is Dwanta.
No, it's Dwayne Woolley.
Rain circle.
What?
Circle.
Circle. Hey, you give the ring to Mommy. Give the ring to Mommy.
Rain circle.
Circle. Give the ring to Mommy. Give the ring to Mommy. Daddy help, Daddy help. We put on Mommy's finger, okay? Ready?
No.
One. He doesn't want to do it.
No.
1, 2, 3. On Mommy's finger. Look, 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 look. Alright guys, so yun, we came back to the place where I proposed. Eto na. Salamat sa panonood guys.
Sa susunod.
Yes, see you sa next video natin. Mainit na, sobra.
Pagod na.
Pagod na.
Kasi sobrang init.
As in,
Taklay Brun.
yes, subscribe to
Chef Piklay Brun.
yes, Chef Lebron channel.
And
then
Provinciano Vlog.
ang Provinciano Vlogs. Ayan. Okay guys,
Frog.
kita kits sa
Wait,
ulitin.
no, don't touch it.
Bye for now.
Before and I'll say it again.
Forever. And the day with you shines so bright like the morning sun.